I did not hire a designer for this. I wrote one focused brief. Airo AI Builder made this logo before I built a single page of the website. And in this video, I will show you what to check for before you run with yours. Airo AI Builder can make your logo before you build your website. Instead of choosing from a template grid, you give it a business context, answer a few questions, and describe the direction you want. It generates a logo from that input. You could download it, review it on real terms, and if you want, build a website around it. A logo is one part of a brand system. The foundation is what the business stands for: the positioning, the audience, promise, and difference. The identity is how you express it: the logo, colors, type, imagery, and voice. Then customers experience all of it on the website, social channels, packaging, and through the service itself. Your first message can be simple: the business name, what it does, and who it serves. Then add direction where it matters: the visual idea, the feeling, where the logo must work, and what to avoid. I already know the direction for Tidal Wave Aquatics, so I'm combining those layers into one focused brief. 3 steps: answer a few questions, describe your idea, get your logo, and then if you want, build the site around it. Here's my swim club, Tidal Wave Aquatics. No website yet and no logo. I already know the direction, so I am combining the business, audience, wave idea, feeling, real-world uses, and avoid list into one focused brief. Then I paste it into Airo AI Builder and build. It works for a moment, and here it is, my logo. Before I have touched a website, I check the plain logo first. Can I read it quickly? Does it still work when it's small? Does it fit an adult competitive swim team? Then Airo AI Builder shows it in real life, on a mug, a business card, a shirt, and a box. The mockups show whether the same idea still works in context. Notice that it's asking us if we would like to edit or refine the logo or try a different logo style. We could also build the website with this logo. I'll try a different style. Rose returned a different style of a logo, and I can still continue on to edit and refine this if I would like to. It will ask what I would like to change and give me a couple of ideas there. You could see that I switched the background color. From here, you can continue editing as needed. So to review, you'll still want to run those 4 quick checks after you complete editing. Is it readable, recognizable, relevant, and usable? And if you already have a logo, you don't have to generate one. The logo page also allows you to upload one. One tip that saves everyone a headache: use a transparent PNG. If your logo shows up inside of a white box, you uploaded a flattened file. Get the real file from whoever made your logo, never a screenshot. Some things to know about my logo. First, it's mine. You could see that I'm on the logo tab at the top, and here I can click the download button to save this to my computer. It isn't stuck inside of this app. I could stop right here, no website required. But watch this, one click, build my website. After a few moments, here is my full website. My new logo already in place in the header, and here it is in the footer. One focused brief, and the whole thing exists. To complete your website, you'll want to make sure that this information that is listed here is customized for your own purposes. Now the question that everyone asks: credits. You've got 2 doors. Swapping a logo yourself in the editor is free, no AI credits. Asking the chat to do logo or image work uses credits. So do straight swaps by hand and spend chat credits on changes you cannot do yourself, and keep it to one focused task per prompt. And nothing here is like a tattoo. Swap in the logo in the editor anytime for free. Describe a change in chat when you want the AI to rework it. Then recheck your live site on desktop and mobile, launch with good enough, and improve it whenever. Here is your part of the job. Look at the logo everywhere your business shows up: your live header on desktop and mobile, your social avatar, those real-life mockups. And if something looks off anywhere, describe the change and try again. And if it only works in the preview, it doesn't work yet. And 3 checks no AI finishes for you. Search for the name, because an available domain name does not mean that the name is legally clear. Check trademark records. If you're in North America, look for USPTO and your state registrations. Find similar organizations in your locale. And for lookalikes, because a generated logo can accidentally resemble an existing business. 10 minutes of searching beats a rebrand. That is practical education, not legal advice. Before you choose, run 4 tests. Can you read it quickly? Is it still recognized when it is small? Does it fit the customer and the business? And does the plain logo work without a polished mockup doing the selling? So the workflow, start to finish. Define the customer and use case. Write 5 prompt layers. Paste the complete brief. Review the plain logo, then the mockups. Revise one issue at a time if needed. Download the file, do the name and trademark checks. Then build the website and review it on desktop and mobile. Before you run with it, the checklist. Name spelled right, readable fast, recognizable when small, right for the customer, strong as a plain logo and on the mockups, clear in the live header and on desktop and mobile, no obvious lookalikes, quick trademark search done, and downloaded somewhere safe. One focused brief in, a usable logo out, tested on mockups and a live website. You can start with one focused brief, refine one issue at a time, and download the result. Try Airo AI Builder through the link in the description. Also, come to our Discord. A like will help more builders find this video, and subscribe so you can catch the next one.